Alright, let's talk about how technology is completely changing the game in land investment. Not long ago, buying or selling land meant endless paperwork, in-person visits, a lot of guesswork. But now, it's a whole new world. First up, mapping tools, GIS data, satellite images, zoning maps. I can analyze terrain, soil quality, how close a property is to schools, how close a property is to highways, without ever stepping foot on it. That means I can spot opportunities and red flags way faster than before. Then there's drone tech. Instead of hiring a survey crew, I'll send up a drone. In minutes, I've got high-res aerial photos, 3D models. I can spot drainage issues from above. I can spot encroachments from above. It saves me time, money, and a ton of hassle, especially with big or remote properties. But here's where it gets really interesting. Data analytics, AI. I'm using predictive tools to forecast land values, analyze sales trends, pinpoint the best spots to invest. It's like having a crystal ball for my portfolio. And let's not forget blockchain, smart contracts, digital land registries, no more worrying about title fraud or endless paperwork. Finally, with VR, I can virtually walk a property from anywhere. AR overlays let me visualize changes on site. Plus, mobile apps let me manage everything on the go. Track my investments, get alerts, collaborate with my team. So if you're serious about land investment, embracing tech isn't just smart, it's essential. The future is digital, and those who adapt are set to win big. Thanks for watching Landzil. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of land investing.